This is Adeniji Hizra for BSmart Technology and Educational Service. Today I will just quickly be summarizing what we actually had yesterday concerning the holiday training that was started yesterday. So the purpose of this training is to be able to make maximum use of this holiday so that by the time we resume back to school or to our office, as many people that were given holiday, because I understand some are still going to their offices, so that everyone will be able to have maximum understanding of this. That is why we bring this training up. And in the training, I'm sure you are seeing the screen, we are going to be dealing with basic computer knowledge. That's hardware and the maintenance. We're talking about the Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint and Excel, graphic design, Canva and CorelDRAW, online secret for personal advantage. There are a lot of secrets online and I will share few of them with you. Now, the next thing when somebody will say is that I already know this, I already have the idea of this, I've done this in class, I've done a tutorial, but just go straight to what you want to tell us. I want to tell you still that without the basic, there is nothing you can actually achieve. So if you don't understand the basic first, you may not be able to understand the one that is advanced. So that is why we need to start from this scrap basics. So what is the prerequisite for attending this class or for listening to this? You don't need to know any knowledge of a system at all. That you know about the system or you don't have any knowledge, this class is for you. Duration, we are going to be using these 3 weeks. That's within this 24th of February to 14th of March 2023. Certificate, you are going to be given a certificate which you're going to have computer user certificate. I'm sure you can see it here. And then BSmart profile, someone will say who is this, who is offering this. Of course, this is BSmart Technology and Educational Service. We are accredited, we are approved, we are certified, we registered under the company and other matter of the CAC, Federal Republic of Nigeria. And that is the name, you see the address, and this is our work. And we have been into this for quite some time. If you look at the date you are seeing on the certificate, it is 17th of December 2018. That was the time we registered this one. Now if you look at the logo we are using presently compared to the logo you are seeing on the certificate, you notice that is different. This BSmart Professional Enterprise was registered in 2010. This BSmart Professional Enterprise was registered in 2010, and this BSmart Technology was registered in 2018. And before this BSmart Professional Enterprise, we've already been operating and been training people. So you'll be having the logo of the new system, new company registered on that your certificate. Of course, we have our copy C. I'm sure you understand this one. This is the one that shows the details of our offices, the owner. You can see my passport there. You can see the stamp of the Corporate Affairs Commission there. So now, going back to our computer, the basic we are talking about, which is introduction to computer. So the first thing I want to say here is anything that have these basic things, anything, any machine, any devices that have these 3 basic things is computer: input, process, output. If you look at from the definition of a computer, we say computer is an electronic machine that inputs data, accept data, process the data, and gives output of the data. So just think of any machine, including your calculator, including your phone. Just think of any machine that has these 3 things. It's called a computer. And in each of these 3 things, these 3 segments, input, process, output, we have some devices that works in them, and that is what we are going to be talking about. This is input devices. Somebody will say, what is input devices? Input devices are devices that allows you to input data inside the computer system. Input devices are devices that allow you to input data inside the computer system. These are specific input devices. Now, processing devices, of course, keyboard, mouse, all these are input. Of course, you can see the image. I can easily, I don't want this video to be long. That is why I'm making it faster, because you can repeat it, you can hear it more and more, you can play it on and on. So the next one is the processing devices. What is processing devices? Processing devices are the devices that inside the system unit. Most of the devices that operate inside the system unit are processing devices, and the common one is your processor. This is what you call processor. Are you seeing the processor? That is what they call CPU, central processing unit. Processor is the same thing as CPU, not that your system unit. Your system unit contains this CPU inside. You have CPU, you have your RAM, you have your ROM. They are processing devices, and there are still other components inside the processing devices. So after the inputted data is being processed, then it's going to send it to output. So that's where you see you have your output device. Output device, any device that can display the processed data for you, either in a soft copy or hard copy. They are called output devices. So the one with a soft copy is from screen and from your speaker. The one with hard copy is the one from your printer, or of course printer. It could be a plastic ID card printer, it could be a CD printer, it could be a normal printer. As long as you can easily undo, or you can easily touch the output copy given. That is, you can classify those ones as hard copy output, and the other one from your headphone, from your speaker, from your screen, you can classify those ones as the soft copy output. So this is the class we had yesterday, and I will stop here. So the next video will comprise of the maintenance of the system maintenance, system configurations, how do you shrink, how do you partition your hard disk without being formatting it, and many other things like that. Thank you, and God bless you.